Hello students, here teacher Pedro. Welcome to another session for 5th grade. And first, what are we going to study? And for the topic number 16, we have prepositions. So please pay attention to the topic. The topic 16 is prepositions. And we are going to start with the preposition number 1. The preposition is next to. Observe and repeat. Next to. Observe and repeat. Next to. The preposition number 2 is across from. Observe and repeat. Across from. Observe and repeat. Across from. Preposition number 3 is between. Observe and repeat. Between. Observe and repeat. Between. The next preposition or expression is on the corner. Observe and repeat. On the corner. Observe and repeat. On the corner. And finally, we have the preposition behind. Observe the picture and repeat. Behind. Observe the picture and repeat. Behind. Now, after the topic, pay attention, students. And here we have a map. The question is, where is the school? Let's repeat. Where is the school? Observe the map. School. Rectangle in color brown. And the answer is, the school is next to the hospital. Observe. The school is next to the hospital. Observe. The school is next to the hospital. Here we have 4 parts. The school, number 1. The place, number 2. Verb to be, is, number 3. Next, the preposition, next to. And finally, the place, in this case, the hospital. 4 parts. Excellent. Next. Where is the zoo? Observe the map. Zoo in color green. The answer is number 1, the zoo. Number 2 is. Number 3, behind. The zoo is behind the school. Okay? Number 3. Where is the bank? Observe. Bank in color blue here. And again, number 1, the bank. Number 2 is. Number 3, the preposition. The preposition is across from. Across from what? Number 4, the hospital. Where is the bank? The bank is across from the hospital. And then we have the example of where is the library? Observe the map. Library. And here is very easy. The library is number 1. Number 2 is. And number 3 on the corner. This is very basic and simple. And finally, where is the market? Oh, that's very difficult. Market. 2 places, bank and library. Observe the map. Number 1, the market. Number 2 is. Number 3, preposition, in this case between. And finally, number 4, the place or places. In this case, the place is the bank and the library. The market is between the bank and the library. Okay? Finally, let's study some vocabulary. And time for a dictionary. Open the dictionary and in your free time, check the meaning of the verb corner. Okay? Corner. So that's all for today, students. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.